Here we go again, another tough job with tight tolerances and no room for error. You're in the middle of production and the clock's ticking. Every second matters. You can't afford equipment that drags its feet. You need a grinder that's fast, flexible, and built for the real world. That's the LG. Straight wheel dressing, automatic, no need to step in. New profile, you're cutting again in minutes. Wheel touch off, handled in the background, no manual input. Tailstock quill has more stroke, more range, and less downtime. Change references on the fly? No problem, it's designed for that. CNC steady rest, grinding ODs, faces, tapers, threads, non-rounds, all in one setup and all in one machine. With automation built by people who know the work. In-process gauging, auto tailstock positioning, no wasted motion, no wasted time. If your shop's pushing for speed and precision, this machine shows up. The Danobat LG, it gets the job done.